You move like footer hype now. Father corruption. Mom, stop calling Gaza name in your mouth.
One time you not chat off on yourself on the internet. The Gaza selector, Neako Fire this. We are not Gaza liar, no time.
We in Miami.
Rich immigrants.
Rich immigrants, motherfucker. We out.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah man, if it's your first time to check out the channel, we just beg you a like and a subscribe on the content. Yeah man, it goes a far away. Enough respect, you see me? Alright then, so in this episode, we have 1KEVIN come out and a burn fire pan Neako Fire. Yeah man, he might blaze up a fire over there, you know. Man, I talk a bag of things about the dog. I say, yo, rare. So we're gonna check it out and hear where my deal, you see me? We also have Neako Fire make a little subliminal response and also a premiere a new Sandstorm, a new Bad Silver song. So we're gonna hear that as well, and so we're going for that. Also, we have Vybz Kartel link up with Rvssian over there in Miami. Yeah man, we have a little powering segment to go on, and also a link up in a studio. You don't know it's a craft up, we're gonna look on that. Also, we have reggae international footballer Leon Bailey and make a big career move. We're gonna check out that and see what go on for that as well. But first, we're gonna kick it off with 1KEVIN and hear man say about Neako Fire. Got you.
You not say you're Gaza fans. So how comes Kartel no work $1 million? Kartel no worth $1 million? Now me ask you a question. If you did have the money to pay Vybz Kartel, you wouldn't pay him $1 million, and number one, you wouldn't get him. So you wouldn't be a person that can pay for a Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel said it out of his own mouth, and everybody can pay for Vybz Kartel. So Nika, let me tell you something, wishy-washy bitch. Every minute you're all over the place. Don't size up Kartel with nobody. At $2,000 for see Kartel. Nika, you won't even go on the show because you look about somebody where you sell. Can't afford for you go on nobody's show. Kartel front row ticket them at 3 to 4 grand. Don't try to style up because nobody now charge that. Kartel are the only man from Jamaica, dead or alive, dig up one of the artists them where can charge the money where the man a charge Nika. And sold out. And the promoter don't complain. The promoter make them money back when them use Kartel. You see, Uno, Nika, Uno make people now want to pay our artists them. People like Uno. 1 minute you say you're a Gaza fan, and the next minute you try to bash the man. And you in the music industry and I saw you talk. You bring down reggae music. You bring down the dancehall Nika. Nobody know fi hire Neako Fire. Smoke. Nika cookout. Nika crack out. Nika no have no blood clot date. Nika, stop. You come like you want to be in the media. As a person who get beat now. You move like footer hype now. Father corruption. Mom, stop calling Gaza name in your mouth. That's why no Gaza man, what they are so now gonna need you to come give no advice when it comes to Gaza. Nika, we don't need a bitch ass nigga like you to be a Gaza fan. Everybody we a Gaza fan, cancel Nika right now. Everybody we a Gaza fan, cancel Nika. Gaza uncle, cancel Nika. Brandon, cancel Nika. Rvssian, cancel Nika. The whole of the blogger them, cancel Neako Fire. Boy, your name Neako. And Nika, your name, your big.
Yeah, family, so that a 1KEVIN, you know, in my blaze of fire, then wicked, you see me? In my make Neako Fire know, say, yo, if you stop running with the Gaza and one bag of things, say, nah, contribute nothing to the music and one bag of things. But the last time we check it, we say that Neako Fire is a selector, you see me? Yeah man, well-known selector, play enough event and them things so he might do a lot for the music just by selecting, cause you don't know you can't go a party and don't have a selector up there and sling some mad tune for all our vibes though. Yeah man, so he might contribute in my view, you see me? So me no feel 1KEVIN the right this about him a Bonafire said way. Yeah man, he must say he must stop running with Gaza name and them things but on the contrary, Neako Fire got some unreleased Sean Storm song, you see me? I make we know say it a forward out this week, this Friday, the 6th of June to be exact. So we are gonna look out for that silver there to see if I cap Neako that cap. I'm just finding the song somewhere on the internet, you see me? But nonetheless, Neako Fire have it in them laptop people and him a play it for make people know say yo, it a forward and the song bad, you see me? I'm hear it and the song bad to people, I have to agree. I love how the song sound, you see it? Yeah man, so we're gonna check out what Neako Fire reason I say and make a hear what going for that bad silver there too. Set speed.
One time when you not chat off on yourself on the internet, I make on hear one brand new Sean Storm. When he release it, a Friday it a release. Me a Gaza selector, Neako Fire this. Everything has to come on my foot. So when you hear me talk some things, I not joke things. Them say Sean Storm not find a big song, you know, for the left prison, you know. Them say Sean Storm not find a big song for them left prison. And when him in a prison, him find a big song now. I make on hear it. It's unreleased, a Friday, June the 6th is a release. Here, see that? See that? They have to send me an email. I got a select and I'm acting area. On the listen, unreleased, Sean Storm.
Leader is a blessing.
Want to listen?
It's a blessing.
Sean Storm, run on.
So much stressing. No hero, prison did rough. No watch out the concrete tough. Hard life, hard life. My mother never raised no crop. Everybody say we move free.
What does that?
They say them shut up when they see the main street. If you walk a empty, same street.
Ho, ho!
Freedom street, sweet, sweet. If I know me country, me have to roll with something. Leaders, these streets are rigorous. The entire Gaza.
Pull up that song there. You want to know since like I say, Gaza, you see when that song I release on the bus Sean Storm. Yeah man, bust that song. Cause this unreleased, a Friday it a drop, June the 6th. And this a video I went to the Sunday, June the 1st. So on the system a Mac thing. When we talk Mac on the internet man, we don't support Gaza man. We are not Gaza liar, no time.
So you hear the bad silver play a while ago, you know. That a Neako Fire does a premiere a brand new Sean Storm unreleased. That I released on the 6th of June, him said this Friday. So we are gonna look out and see if I cap in my cap or if I saw it go, you see me? But from what we hear already so far, that song there sound bad. You see me? We love the melody and everything like that already. The rhythm connect. So we just gonna wait for hear the full version Friday and see how it I gonna deal with the road, you see me? But so far what me hear, I rate that Sean Storm there. Yeah man, bad silver, cause you don't know enough people in recent time I bash silver about this and that and you see the G just drop a mad snippet on him IG make them know say yo, Kartel him a take talk from. If Kartel say music good, it is good. And we rate that, you see me, cause you don't know a Vybz Kartel one of the greatest. So if the man say you think connect, it connect, brother, you see it. And I don't know people talk still cause back in the early Gaza days you have Sean Storm and every big rhythm where Kartel depend to, you see me? Coloring Brook rhythm, him depend it. Clappers rhythm, him depend it. Boxing Day rhythm, him depend it. Funeral ceremony, him depend it, you see me? And them have bad song pan the rhythm them too, you see it? So if you don't know them silver there, you have to go do your research and check it out. So that's why Neako Fire make 1KEVIN know say him is a Gaza selector. Him have the privilege to get an unreleased Sean Storm song, he can play it for your fans. Yeah man, so when the bag of noise I make and the controversy attack, him not really listen to that. Him just say what him say and go through and do film thing. Yeah man, so now we are check out Vybz Kartel and Rvssian and make a link up over there in Miami people. We see them in the studio one at a time, so you don't know say it's a hit song that naturally. When Kartel and Rvssian are link up and not with normal, you see me?
Fully active.
Outside.
In Miami.
Rich immigrants.
Rich immigrants, motherfucker. We out.
No one be no bitch up on a button. Me had the goat, me no want on a mutton. Yeah, my brother in a Tariq, I'm a lawyer. Yeah, my brother in a Tariq, I'm a lawyer. If you not stand up for something, you go fall for nothing. Me did feel sad yesterday. Rvssian call and tell me say,
you my blood, so I'm lying like a dog. Me I go pick up for you every time you call. Some of them just change like the season.
National Atlanta, 6th of June, Vybz Kartel live. Lyrics in overdrive.
Remember, State Farm Arena, 6th of June. Vybz Kartel in concert. I'll be there. Where will you be?
Put your motherfucking hands up. Real bad man, no muggle in a shots. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have to ask when me get my class. Everybody have to ask when me get my class. Fever, buy your punani. Wine for me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and twist. You are high class, me not have time for you. Hold on, me not have time for you. Grassy, me not have time for you. Enough time for no chill time, that a waste time. Mine for my money and my money for my mind. They shot at them a free the dollar sign. They shot at them a free the dollar sign. Cocky no pay, me we broke your back. When you coming I'm ramping shot. Me we quint it up 2 times and pop your car. When you coming I'm ramping shot. Me body me not stop on my ganja. So come put on the handcuff them. Remember me must get bail. Carry me go jail and in the I get sale. Love me with the ganja. A gun you feel look for. No harass the Gaza. Me remember. Somebody get ice, not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Come on. Everywhere we party. People want me.
Yeah, man, so that was Vybz Kartel. I make a link with Rvssian. Them I make a partner in Miami one night time. I make a link around a studio. Cause you don't know when Rvssian and Kartel a link, it's after it's people. I now go around here, you know, a whole heap of it's and Kartel and Rvssian make, you know. If you listen to that channel, if you look a while for a video or 2, you can know so our team song is a Kartel and a Rvssian. So you see the thing no normal. You see me? Yeah, man, we love to see that, man, cause you don't know. We are looking out for some new music from the teacher as well. Cause them man they just lucky place with their new tune. Yeah, man. Crazy thing. So now we are shift the ball game. We are gonna check out Leon Bailey, Reggae Boys International Footballer. That make a big change in our career, you know what I'm saying? Man, go over Saudi one night time. Yeah, man, we are check it out. So the excerpt reads, Leon Bailey is expected to make a move to Saudi Arabia this week to Neom SC for a fee of £25 million. You know how much money that people are crazy bread that in about 4 or 5 billion Jamaican dollar that you know. You see it. And if a Jamaican get marketed for them money, that does show you the level of talent what him have, you know. And Bailey is a man, him not reach 30 yet. Him still have whole heap left in his tank. So him can go to Saudi Arabia, make that move there and secure that bag there for himself and him family future. Make sure say yo everything secure. You see it. It's a good move that, you know, financially. But you don't know with people and Jamaican people like that we have our criticism, especially of Leon Bailey. You see, because some people are say, yo, him should have never do it, him should have just go and bill and work or look to go to our next club. One person wrote, he should never wear another Jamaica jersey. 2 I go on a karaoke league because they would have get dropped out of the Premier League at 2 minutes per game. Him did get a Aston Villa this season. Which when I watch Bailey that season, it wasn't a 2 minute. He would have injury problems, but I never really 2 minutes. He get a couple minutes per game. Some games him start and get sub. You don't know how the thing goes as a footballer. And not every match I get a full 90 or a full game. You get me? Yeah, but you don't know. Some people say sell first every time. Big up Bailey. So that's that. Somebody will agree with him. They say with the move, you see it. Yeah, man. And then somebody else say all over say man for stay. No, have £25 million to give the man. Only pound, we don't have a pound from body fat. You know what they mean this. So you can see that some people agree and some people disagree. You see it with the move and decide to make. But at the end of the day, a Leon Bailey decision, a film career, so him can decide what's best for himself and him career. If it's a financial decision, him gonna make at this point in his career by all means, because you know how football thing go. Once you reach certain age, you're gonna get dropped and a younger player come take your spot. That's how life is, really and truly. Once you get up in an age, a younger person gonna fill in the blanks. You see it? We have to just understand that I just saw the thing go. Yeah, man. So now we're gonna check out some cookings we are going on a yard, a big cruise ship cookout a yard, you know. Yeah, man, I know normal, yo. And I know that history these people. We have to go see that cruise ship here and see how they deal with it. Check it out.
Bad chef at it again.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man. I normal thing, man. I curry goat. A 2.5 goat. I will never have your family. I eat all the way 53 pounds.
Yes.
All right.
Go back into that.
Everything plug in. soup there. Sergeant. A 12 bucket of water, half bag of coke, half bag of dasheen, half bag of yam. 13 breadfruit. You see rice and no joke rice. You see the rice there, a 45 pounds in a potter. Yeah.
Rice again.
This a potter.
Shelly, man.
Yeah, Miss Shelly, man. This a 43 pounds.
So what get this?
You see the one I know, a 52 pounds.
Inside.
I'm going to think they want a mouth, man. Leave a gravy they don't want. Go again. You see the next rice here? A 47 pounds.
Shelly.
And a normal thing. This here, one egg. Fry a sauce down. And this is another egg. Fry and sauce down. May I go to the finger licking? Can everybody know the national dish and what they are chicken? What's that now? I want come and phone. I don't know how much because some did but we know the buy about 500. Watch that. I'll be in. Somebody said chicken sweetie.
Yeah, man. Bye, chef, bye.
You see what we are talking about now is a cruise ship that, and I don't know boat that I know raft is a cruise ship. One of them carnival cruise ship that you see how much food that the man say all it want a mouth. No, the amount of food right there. So we don't feel nobody can do that food. Some of that have to cover up for tomorrow, or some have to go give away or something because a portion of food that to the people. I don't know, man, I never yet cook so much food in my life. You see me, I can dream if I can say, I put on so much food. You see? Yeah, man, big up to his chef. I can say, I do it from long time and him know him style and him know him thing. You see? Yeah, man, when you cook so much food, you have to have judgment, you have to have precision, you have to have your timing. Because without that, it just crash the whole ship and the whole thing turn off and gone overboard. You see? So yeah, man, if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, I just want to big you up and tell you thanks for watching the entire episode. Yeah, man, if you like and sub, big up again. You see? Whole heap of thanks because you don't know where they are trying to build it and help the channel to grow to a level. You see it, want to see it take off, It's a goal, it's a vision. Yeah, man, so respect. Check in our next episode.